In today's video, I'm going to teach you Automated LinkedIn Post Designer with n8n. We're walking through a streamlined workflow that takes a simple form submission and turns it into a polished, ready-to-post LinkedIn update, complete with a custom image and a compelling caption. It all begins with a web form. The user uploads a portrait-style photo and enters a quote. Think of this as the raw material for your post. As soon as the form is submitted, a webhook in n8n catches the incoming data and kicks off the automation. A webhook is just a lightweight listener that waits for the form to send information, so the workflow starts instantly without any manual action. Next, the workflow parses the form data. The uploaded image is converted into base64 format, which is a way of encoding the picture so it can be cleanly embedded inside an HTML template. At the same time, the quote text is extracted and prepared for the design stage. Clear, concise quotes with a strong takeaway tend to look best in the final graphic. Now the visual design comes together. The workflow randomly selects one of 6 pre-built HTML templates. This randomness keeps your feed fresh, cycling through different placements, colors, and text treatments without you needing to choose each time. The system then combines the uploaded portrait and the quote inside the selected layout, ensuring the photo and text align visually for readability and impact. Once the HTML layout is ready, it's converted into an image using an HTML to image service. This transforms the on-screen design into a shareable graphic. Immediately after, the image is resized to be optimal for LinkedIn, so it displays crisply and consistently across devices and in the feed. With the image prepared, the workflow generates a caption using the OpenAI API. The caption is crafted to be educative, inspirational, motivating, and authentic, and it includes relevant hashtags to help reach the right audience. The goal is to complement your design with text that adds value, not just decoration. Finally, the workflow returns a response to the same web form. Here, the user can preview the finished image and the AI-generated caption together. If everything looks good, one click sends the post directly to LinkedIn. No downloading, no copy-pasting, and no extra tools required. From start to finish, this automated process blends web form input, image processing, caption generation, and LinkedIn publishing into a single, seamless experience, delivering consistent, professional posts without manual design work every time.